fishing today. We're gonna get out. It's going coming through. They got it. And right, you know what? The rain don't stop no show. It's about to rain about 10 minutes. So we got to catch some fish. You know, sunny on and off all day and raining. So what I'm gonna do is let it pass, put in, and have a good time. Take two crickets. Next one, burn them up. I'll get you in a minute. Alright everybody, left that Patterson, we're going fishing, and yeah, it's raining, but you know what, it ain't gonna rain long, get ready to clear up. If you look back there in the background, you see that sun, so it'll rain probably about 10 minutes, and it'll get calm again, wind's blowing. It came down really fast, but I hate to tell y'all this, we're getting ready to ream them fish out. Usually after a rain like this, it washes a lot of stuff in the water. Those fish will be hitting top water. And I'll be fishing some little poppers like that right there. And if you look, raining, look how quick it stopped. That's what I'm telling you. So a lot of people, they say, oh, they watch. There's nothing wrong watching the weather, but don't plan your day around the weather, because yeah, it's a 60% chance of rain or 80% chance of rain. That means it's gonna rain somewhere, and it may not rain all day. People leaving the landing, or they're thinking about leaving the landing. But we headed on out, go catch some fish. They leaving and we going. So I'll hit you up in just a few minutes. So it rained like 5 minutes, and water looked like glass, baby. So we'll go out and see what we can. Yeah, I told y'all they was gonna be biting, right? Biting pretty good. And that one's about the size of my foot. If you look at him, yeah, they biting pretty good. That's a big old alligator. This is the